Hey there, fellow programmers. Welcome back to our channel Codeverse. Today, we are diving into the world of programming languages and discussing the top 5 languages you should consider learning in 2023. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these languages are essential for staying ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Number 1, JavaScript. Topping our list is JavaScript, the king of web development. JavaScript's versatility makes it essential for both front-end and back-end development. Frameworks like React and Vue.js have solidified its place as the go-to choice for building interactive user interfaces. With Node.js, JavaScript now powers server-side applications, making it an all-in-one language for full-stack development. Number 2, HTML, CSS. Next up, we have HTML and CSS, the dynamic duo of web design. HTML provides the structure and content of web pages, while CSS handles the styling and layout. They are the building blocks of every website and form the foundation of web development. Learning how to create responsive and visually appealing designs is crucial in the modern web landscape. Number 3, Python. In the third spot, we've got Python, the versatile and beginner-friendly language. Python's clean syntax and large standard library make it an excellent choice for beginners. It's widely used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, making it a hot skill in the job market. Frameworks like Django and Flask empower developers to create robust web applications efficiently. Number 4, SQL. Coming in at number 4 is SQL, the language behind managing and querying databases. SQL is essential for anyone dealing with data manipulation, storage, and retrieval. It's used across industries and plays a pivotal role in data analysis and business intelligence. Mastering SQL opens doors to lucrative careers in database administration and data engineering. Number 5, TypeScript. Last but not least, we have TypeScript, the statically typed superset of JavaScript. TypeScript enhances JavaScript by adding optional type annotations, catching errors at compile time. It's gaining popularity rapidly, especially in large-scale applications, due to its ability to catch bugs early. TypeScript's integration with popular frameworks like Angular and its adoption by tech giants like Microsoft and Google make it a language worth investing in. Concluding to these points. And there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. These are as according to the Stack Overflow data. Whether you are building stunning websites, diving into data, or crafting powerful applications, these languages will set you on the path to success. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Let's code the future.